not yet clear about that. Clear about what? Clear about how in the deep sleep only Atma is without the time and space. It is without time and space. What to get clear about that? Okay. Achha, I ask you one question. There is Atma without the time and space in the deep sleep. ठीक? When you see the dream, what happens to that Atma? Which Atma? Which was in the deep sleep? That Atma, which was without time and space in the deep sleep, what happens when you see the dream? What happens to that Atma? Huh? Still there. Sure. No, but supposing whole dream comes, supposing this Atma is there, how dream comes? Is it out of that Atma or it is on that Atma? That dream which has come, supposing dream you are saying that you have gone to India, and you have gone to Rameshwaram in the dream. Rameshwaram. Because you had gone once, so you had impression about Rameshwaram. And you are walking on the corridor and going with the Phool Mala, Pushpa, etc., Prasad. In the dream. And it is raining outside also. You got wet also. Somebody pushed from back, you fell down also. Okay. Then you woke up. My question is, this dreamer who fell down, the dream Rameshwaram and dream experience of getting hurt, all these things is out of that Atma or in that Atma? Matlab, this is Atma and this is the experience. No, sir. On the same Atma, experiences are coming and going, like on the screen of the film. On the screen, one film has come. Without changing the screen. Mera Naam Joker, one film has come. On the screen. There Raj Kapoor comes. He is singing a song. Mera Joota hai Japani. And he is singing one song. पर दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, ये that song is there. क्या है? सही है ना कुछ song? क्या है? ना, वो तो हम भी बताए थे. So supposing that film has come, that film went away. After that another film came up. Say, Hathi Mere Saathi ki. Then Rajesh Kumar comes, Chal, 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 Mere Hathi. You know, that he came back. Nothing is happening to the screen. The screen did not become Japani, and the screen had not become fat because of the elephant. Why? Because you again see another dream on the same. If it had become something, you couldn't have seen another film on the same screen. If the screen had taken the shape, you can't see another totally new film, new dream on the same one. That means 1 minute. On that Atma, which is without time and space. So this film had come, this dream had come. Okay. Sure. It has no time, no space, This person whom I call Rakesh Kumar, people say in short RK, is not there. Achha, what happens to that Atma in the waking state? This Atma, which was in deep sleep, without time and space, an object, and no action, what happens to that Atma in the waking state? My dear, in the waking state, that Atma is there. On that, this waking space comes up, waking person called RK comes up, who is working in a computer coaching institute. He is an instructor there. Who? This RK. What is his designation? He is a lab superintendent. Which lab? Arey, computer lab. Don't ask me questions. Computer lab superintendent. Under him there are 250 computers. Sure. And where is all these things? What happened to that Atma? Which one? Which was in the deep sleep? It had gone anywhere. Going is possible in space only. It cannot run. Mari nahi wo. Death is possible only in time. It is not in time and space. Then what happened to that? In that, this waking world came up. And after, when sleeping has to be done, chalo dukaan band karo, close the shop. All these three went away. That Atma is again in this resplendent glory in the deep sleep. That means that Atma is everywhere in the waking state also. Oh, I hope you are appreciating little bit. Little bit? Kyo bhai? Getting it? Please go from deep sleep and then come. This person, this person, I told you it's a fake person. Number 2, So the sorrows and joys of this person is not that Atma. Nothing to do with that Atma. With the film person, what the screen will cry or what? Supposing you had a very tragic film. Some tragedy film was there. Lot of crying is there in that film. Some film is there. I don't know which film was like that. Do you think screen was sad? Or there was some comedy film, Golmaal. Golmaal was there. Comedy film was there. So they think the screen was also laughing like this. Or you had a romantic film. Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. Supposing this kind of. So you think the screen also had a little romantic touch that night. Or Titanic was a film. I heard it was a good film. I did not see that. Titanic. Do you think it was wet? After the film, the screen was wet? Or you had a horror movie, a vampire horror movie. Do you think the screen was also having some ghostly effect? Or you had a very divine movie, Jai Santoshi Ma had come earlier, one film was there. Jai Santoshi Ma, very popular film was there. Do you think screen became more diviner because of the screen says, I had nothing to do with anyone. I don't become anything because I am non-modifying. 6 vikar is not there in me. न जायते म्रियते वा विपश्चित. Don't bring Gita here. Nayam katashchinna babuva kaschit. I have not become anything. So, 1 minute. Atma ji, 1 minute. In the deep sleep, you will be same. Yes. In the waking, where is that deep sleep experience gone? Hello? What? In the waking state, I don't have that experience. That is your problem. I am there. Who says? That deep sleep Atma says to this person, he said, hello, that you said, you are not modifying your consciousness, you are not doer, you are not enjoyer. But I don't experience that in the waking state. I feel I'm so sad, I'm so crushed. Too much tension is coming now. I have too much tension as a husband or as a wife. I'm so much frustrated sometimes. Oh, yes. What? It doesn't affect you. Which one? My frustration doesn't affect you. Which frustration is he talking about? I don't know any frustration. Like the screen, somebody is saying you are not affected by the water in the Titanic. He said, which water? Which Titanic? I don't know. You are saying it. And therefore, this Atma is all pervading. But I think it is inside. अरे यार तुम अपनी thinking की बात करो, छोड़ो. You think all nonsense. फालतू की बात कर. What I am saying is nonsense. Yes. Why? Because it is not proved. But I feel your feeling is not a proof. You feel you are intelligent. Nobody feels. You feel you are good looking also. You can keep on feeling. The feeling today I had a lot of feeling. I think something is going to happen today. What somewhere accident, something, not a good feeling is coming today. Right? I think some accident has to be. I have to hear some news from the relative. Every day you have feeling and one day it happens. Then he says, "Dekho, it already coming in my mind." Every day he thinks like that. I think somebody will fall down. I think somewhere robber is going to come. I think somebody is going in my room. I think somebody else is in my room. Which room? In my room. I feel somebody, rings the bell in the night. What part of night? No, somebody is there and he rings the bell. Which is the call bell or the temple bell? I think temple bell. Every night I hear. Where? In my room, somebody is there. And I keep the room open so that he can go out. But he's not going out. Earlier, who was living in that room in my room? Who was living in that room where I am living there? This is my question. You are the first bhoot. No, I think we should do. Can I take one Havan Kund? What will you do? I will do Havan inside my room. Hey, don't take that Havan Kund also. Already there are few left. Many Havan Kund has gone here and there. So don't take that. The problem is not like that. Then you sleep till late. Morning temple bell rings. And you are sleeping till late, 7 o'clock. That bell you feel here, okay? Keep quiet now. You feel somebody is coming. I see like that. All these have no value in Vedanta. Therefore, understand, listen to what I'm saying. You will not like, but you have to listen. Somebody's sorrow, joy, no value in Vedanta. Why? Because Vedantists think from that eye. Number one eye, deep sleep eye. With the background of deep sleep eye, they see situation and they laugh it out. There is nothing called relation, there is nothing called success, there is no failure, there is no body also. It is all pervading Atma. And therefore it is said, Ashariram Sharireshu. Sharireshu is plural. You will hear it later on. 7th case. Among all the bodies, only one Atma is there. In all the bodies, one Atma is there. Oh, you mean to say my Atma is everywhere? Not number 2 Atma. Remember I said number 1 Atma conditioned by mind is number 2 Atma. Yesterday I told about that. I don't know how you feel, it is not interesting. What is more surprising, if somebody says Vedanta I can't understand. Okay, bhai. Maybe he has not that samskar. But when I read, I am mesmerized. Ashariram sharireshu. Then what is said next line? Anavastheshu avasthitam. In the unstable body, it is the only stable thing. Why? This body will fall out. It is like that. Nalani dalagata jalamati taralam tadvajivitam atishay chapalam. It is like the dewdrop on the tip of the leaf. पता नहीं टप से कब गिर जाएगी. It will fall down. कब? पता नहीं कब न्यूज आ जाए अपनी. You don't know when news will come. Which news? Which you will not hear, others will hear. But still I'm young. What young? 20, 30 years will go away. What is young here? What are you talking? I'm young. How young you are? I'm 62. It's not young, by the way. 62 is not young. क्या young old क्या होता है? Now the people in 20s have diabetes and they have blood pressure and they have heart attack. How old? 28. Sometimes very young person is not there. It's the body है टप हो गई और क्या? One dream is over. One dream was going on over, खत्म हो गई, नया dream शुरू करेंगे. He will go to start another dream. I'm the son of that person, daughter of that person, husband of that person. Another dream will start for 40, 50 years. To start one dream. फिर another, वो जो background है, it is not changing there also. Well, 1 minute, one question. Supposing I die. No, you will die. What suppose? No. Wait, listen. Supposing I die without knowing this Atma, will I get the same Atma again? No. In the next world. If I pass away, and next birth आई कोई ऐसा तो नहीं नई आत्मा मिलेगी कोई. I'll get the same Atma again. See, if you ask such question. So first thing you require is some slapping. How can Atma be different in the next body? How can in another dream, how can you be different in another dream on which the whole 3 dream things are being shown? वो तो वही रहेगी ना. Thank you so much. So nice. So, ashariram sharireshu anavastheshu avasthitam, which is the only stable thing. This unstable. Learn to rest there. Resting in self is meditation. Think of that. By God's grace. Therefore, a lot of God's grace is required in Vedanta because He alone is the teacher. He is the teacher who sits in your mind and teaches it. Don't get surprised what I'm talking to you. देखो, श्रृंगेरी शंकराचार्य अभिनव विद्या तीर्थ वास्ते, very great saint. Shivji used to come in his dream. And every day, Shivji used to teach certain asana, 4 asana. Next day, he started with the 5th asana only. Around 10-11 days, Shivji came and he taught him different postures of meditation. ये होता है. So don't think it is all. And Mahantam word, Mahantam means big. Vibhum, all pervading. Matva. Matva means knowing it aparokshataya gyatva. Who knows is directly. Anavastheshu or Sharireshu. See, Sharireshu, the adjective of Sharireshu is Anavastheshu. That body which is tightly unstable, flimsy, transient. It just drops out. So when person is very old, he is 80s, 90s, so in Hindi they say one thing, supposing, you know what they say in Hindi? Supposing a person is very old, बोले पके आम है. Understood the meaning? What? When the mango is ripe on the tree, any time it can just drop. If it's late 80s, 90s, so then they use such expression. Very good expression is the paki aam is a ripe mango. That is called anavastheshu, avasthitam. That is the only non-flimsy, stable, certain, non-dying thing in this body. One who knows that, gyatva, matva means gyatva. Whom? That vibhum, all pervading. Vibhum is vyapinam atmanam. Which is all, now understood the meaning of all pervading. Don't make our whole hard work go here and there. Mahantam, which is big. Why big? Because there is no time and space in that. One who knows this, he doesn't grieve. Who is this person? What is his name? RK? Nahi. Then Dhiraha. Dhiraha. Dhira means who has this knowledge. Dhiman, who has this knowledge. He is not a person who is all the time affected by this number 2 I. I'm so sad, I'm so happy, I'm so excited, I'm so feeling so crushed today. I'm so, as if somebody has sidelined me today. I'm feeling totally sidelined. Totally sidelined. So, totally, I just feeling I should just go and lock my room. I don't want to come out. Don't want to come out, but I have to come out because I am the Yajman today. I think I will call somebody else. He should become Yajman. I'm not in the mood to become Yajman. Why you are not becoming Yajman? You are not Yajman. You are doing that. Oh my God! I am doing. What? You are doing Havan today. Who told me? In the list, my name was not there. No, but your name is there. Radhika told. Oh my God! Today is Vishnu Sahasranam. Today is Gayatri. See, don't be in the dream now. You get out. Today is Vishnu, not Gayatri Havan is there. Okay. Sorry. I forgot that today was Sunday. You got the meaning of the whole thing. Very beautiful. क्या है श्लोक? शरीरम शरीरेषु अनवस्थेष्वस्थिवदम महांतम विभुमात्मानं मत्वा धीरो न शोचति. You can't lose. You may lose anything in this world. You will never lose that deep sleep eye. He cannot be insulted. He cannot be honored. Well, I'll honor the deep sleep eye. Who will honor whom there? There is no two existing. It is not sad. Therefore, when you are sad and you sleep, sometimes you sleep after being sad. You slept while crying. Pillow got slightly wet. So after that you cried. And you went into deep sleep. When you went in deep sleep, you had seen that eye. And for 6 hours, 7 hours, you are totally in joy. So when you get up, it takes time to recollect everything. It takes time to recollect I was sad. Some moments, because you are already there in the deep sleep in that number one eye. You are already in quiet bliss. When you get up, then for 2 minutes you remember, you are you are so much in joy and so much in quietness. And then you remember, again, oh, that thing happened in the morning. Last night that happened. Then again we start. But there is some split moment where there is a forgetting. You have to remember it, you have to bring it back because you are not in that eye. When you get up, you are not in number two eye, you are in number one eye. And you are already there stationed for a long time, 5 hours, 6 hours. So when you get up, this takes time to recollect everything that night, that happened, it happened, and then you are back in that. And sometimes you are not that sad as you were there. Number two eye has got little collected. I hope you are understanding. I can only hope. Who is this Dhira who lives with number one eye, even though acting as a number two eye? Like an actor is there, he's a millionaire in his normal life, but he acts as a coolie in the film. He acts as a coolie in the film, and he's polishing the shoes there. As a, his totally makeup is different. The shabby clothes he has put on. He is sitting near the footpath in the railway station. And somebody said, you polish karo. Says polish. He polished it. Right? Kitna paisa hua? How much cost? Babuji, 5 rupees. So he threw. That person who threw the money. This coolie says, hey, 1 minute. I don't take the money which is thrown like that. बाबूजी पैसे संभाल के देना है, हम हाथ में लेते हैं, जमीन का पैसा नहीं उठाते हम. We saw like that. Then again he is sitting waiting for another customer. While doing this, he knows I am not a coolie. He is not forgotten for a minute also. Similarly, this Dhira and Jnani, he may laugh, cry in the world, love and do anything, but he knows, and therefore if he is insulted, he knows this is a false insult. If he is honored, he knows it is a false honor. He plays the drama. Is it clear? But it's not clear, very clear, I think. And therefore one should meditate. Meditation means what? Practice of going to number one eye repeatedly. So when you have that number one eye available, when this number two eye is in problem, you can run inside. Otherwise you have to be in that burning house when you don't have any nice air cool dormitory. Sadhana means you are more, it is easily accessible now. You know the password there. Like the code is there of this gate, whatever code you have got, 1312. So you know that password, and some are there they keep on watching your password when you are there. It's a very bad habit. So as you know your code, so that gate is open now. Similarly, there is also code here. What? What code is there? No time and space in me. You are there. This person is second class. Fake person. Now, next two mantras are incidental diversions. Diversion? Yes. Why? Atma Swarup topic was going on from 18 mantra. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 18, 19, 21, 22. How many? About the Atma. 7 properties. Now you can take one more property of all pervading. I can add to the 6 one. Now what is incidental diversion? What is the sadhana required so that I can be with that? Please tell me. I'm very happy. Acha? Haan. What is the sadhana required? What lifestyle is required so that I can go to number 1 I faster. I'm caught up in number 2 I all the time. I'm quite worried of that. What is the sadhana required so that I can hop there immediately? I don't meditate because I have no time also, and other mind is there to meditate. Thank God I am sitting here, otherwise I don't listen also Vedanta, etc. First time I am listening to Vedanta. I have no opportunity. So how to, I can immediately go there. That please tell me that trick. And this is a very popular mantra. You have to by heart.